So it is feeding time for the baby birds, and I'm trying something slightly different. I'm using a baby bottle, and instead of a glove with an elastic band, I've cut holes into a normal baby teat. And I tried it yesterday and it seems like it is working. Let me show you how it works. The one hole is slightly bigger than the other because the bigger birds need to be able to open their mouths inside. So basically the mechanism is that when the baby bird's mouth goes in, it can open it up. So the hole is big enough. So let's see how it goes this morning. There's one of the very tiny ones. It's also not as messy as the glove.